guys. Today I'll be playing with Time Lord AJK, aka Andre, and Wizard underscore 1243. So, yeah, let's do this. What? Yes. What? As you can see, I am clearly hacking, so I'm not an administrator. So yeah, I am clearly hacking. I'm recording. I can't really help about that. It's coming in 30 seconds, people. I'm recording, dude, and you're telling me not to talk. How are we talking too loud? So guys, I am gonna be beast. I guarantee, like, I have 38 beast chance, and if I'm not beast, well, good job. Yes, I'm not the beast, and oh, okay, guys, we got company. Time to hack. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I saw you. Oh, computers. I'm hacking these computers. I'm hacking backwards. We're hacking backwards. Guys, don't fail this. Andre, don't you dare fail this. Wait, actually, I'm going to fail this, so I'm going to track some people. Because it's not fun without people. It's not fun without people chasing you, Andre. So let's do this. As you can see, guys, there's this random meatball head. Oh, the beast is... What? I see the beast. She is Concha, whatever. 2.0. No, not yet, no. She's just, look at her. Look at her, she's just trying so hard. Sorry. Stop trying. She's trying so hard. Dun, we're in the main room. She's trying so hard. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, she raged. She just raged, guys. She raged so hard, guys. Guys, you guys can't hear Andre and Wizard underscore 2121 because I have headphones on. So yeah, No, let's go to abandoned prison. Well, the meatball head agrees with us. Okay, guys, we're about to do abandoned prison, and I have a 37% beast chance, which is annoying. So, yeah. So, yeah, we're going to, what? I'm not using war hacks, dude. I'm using speed. Lol. Yeah. I'm not. I'm actually speed glitching. You just what? I can't until the next map. I can't until the next map. And I don't want these guys seeing my hack client. I don't want... Oh! I'm a survivor, guys. Oh, I found a computer. I'm going to set up... Everybody we have to set off signals to make this a fun game. Okay, hold on, I'm setting off some signals. Wow! Of course. I was hacking a computer. So guys, pretty much this has a 50% chance of making you guys very bored, so I'm very sorry. What do you do? Next episode, guys, I will be, I guarantee you guys, I will be playing Theme Park Tycoon. Subscribe to Mr. Wizard. Subscribe to Mr. Wizard. People. Oh, Andre, have you gotten over Julian yet? Are you still angry with Julian, Andre? Andre. Oh, come on, it's a level 1. It's a level 1. It's a level 1. Then. No, I'm lagging. No, speed look. It's more fun with people chasing you. Oh, well, this was going to be an easy one then. Dude, it's not fun without people chasing you, Hugo. So guys, I'm going to cut the video. I'm going to cut the video right now. And, oh God, there's the beast! You ugly beast! You so ugly! You so ugly! You so ugly! Hey, beast! Guys, I'm gonna pause this video and I'm going to make a montage of me trolling some beasts. No! Oh, I ran into a hammer. Okay, guys, watch this. Rejected. Oh God. She is rage with me. Go into the yard, guys. Go into the yard. She is rage with me. Oh. Guys, the beast is in. Meet me in the yard. Meet me in the. Guys, come. I'll show you the beast. It's in here. She's in here. She's so hideous. She's so rage. Guys, in the yard, let's do some trolling. Trolling montage. Dun. Hey, guys. Hey. No, Ade! Daddy, mommy. Oh no, here you go! I saved you! Come at me, beast! at me? Huh? Get through the door. I'll lock it. Ha! You wanna go with me? I am the ultimate... Oh. I'm the ultimate hacker, boy. What are you gonna do about that? Huh? Oh, she's so rage! Oh, I just locked you in there. No! Here you go! Oh, no! You need to get into... Where are you? I can't help you until you're in the freezer. Oh, this girl's noob. Oh, no, you don't. I just blocked it. The door. I know. Oh. No, don't want to save you again. She's too pretty noob. Through. Okay, quick. You guys get me into the yard. And let's do some trolling. I'm doing some trolling. Nice. She's right. Oh, guys, Wait, Wizard_21. Wait, what is your what's it? Wait, are you using the pro version of Screencast? So we gotta end our video soon or end by itself. Oi! This girl wants to go with me! Ha, 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 ha. Oi! If you tell shoot. Wait, can you stop the recording and reset? Guys, I'm sorry to say, but I gotta end the video for here. If you want a trolling montage, subscribe to Goody Plays. All those guys. Okay, bye.